Hi, this is the ZTE Blade A72s and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first open the settings application, then tap to the sound section. Here you will see the ring volume panel. Adjust the mode, change the ringtone volume. We should slide to the left or to the right side this white dot. Also, we could make it with the help of the volume buttons just by press up or down volume button. But to do that, first be sure that in default volume button control you have selected ringtone volume, not medias, and after that by this way you could switch the ringtone volume. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.